Why are we so fascinated with hair? Because it's not just on your head, but a fundamental feature of all mammals. Hair is a pretty big deal in the mammal world. Every mammal, yes, even hairless ones like elephants and whales, has hair made of keratin, a protein giving it that soft and elastic quality we all know and love. First up, human hair. Under a microscope, it's typically cylindrical and can vary in color and texture, thanks to melanin and metal elements. Notice how smooth and uniform it looks? Next, let's check out wool. Sheep wool is thicker, and dyed red here for visibility. It's super elastic and soft, perfect for those cozy sweaters. Finally, rabbit fur. It's fine, dense, and oh so soft. Under the microscope, rabbit fur is finer and shorter than both human hair and wool. So, what's the takeaway? Each type of hair plays a crucial role, from insulation to protection and even sensory perception. Isn't it amazing how much you can learn from a tiny hair strand? Keep exploring, and who knows what microscopic wonders you'll discover next.